All right, check this out. So I was in the market for finding a battery operated oscillating tool since my corded one is still good, but there's just sometimes that you always need that battery one because you don't have power. So I figured out today's the day. I'm going to go purchase it. I picked this one up at Lowe's, but you could also find it on Amazon. You could check the link below. And I'm going to unbox it for you guys and see how it is. We're going to test it out. I'll plug it in. We'll charge it. We'll see what goodies are in the box. And I'll give an honest review about what I think. And again, like I said, it's not going to be something I'm going to need every day. It just needs to work every time that I'm going to use it. So let's get this unboxed. All right, so here we go. These off. Put those out. From the side. All right, so first impressions, it's packed very nicely. It comes with a charger, which is great. Here's the tool itself. Instructions. A bag. A battery. And different type of attachments. That's everything in the box. All right, let's check to see if this got juice. We got 1 bar. That's a good thing. First, check out this bag. Good quality bag. I don't know about you, but whatever tool I purchase, I try to make sure that there's a bag so that way it's easy to store either in the truck or on the shelves, and I don't just have random tools lying around. The zipper's heavy duty. Let's see if we could fit everything in it. You could easily fit everything in the bag. So that's a plus. Let's take everything out of the bag. All right. What is it? All right, let's see the tool itself. Nicely packaged. First impressions, very light. Grip is very easy to hold. I've got big hands and it's just perfect. Now, if you got smaller hands, it might be a little bit too big for you, but for me, really good. Attachments right here, which is awesome. You have your speed dial. It goes 1 to 6. Your on off. And of course, on the bottom, that's where you're going to put the battery. It looks like you also have a little light up top, which is good. So let's take one of these out. Now, the cool thing about this attachment, it actually has a little measuring system on it, millimeters and inches. And it'll tell you if it's for wood or metal, and this one's for wood. That's pretty cool. In case you're actually sawing into a piece of wood, but you only want to go in maybe about a 1/4 inch, well, it's going to tell you what's a 1/4 inch, what's a 1/2 inch. That's a really cool feature because there's times where I'm just guesstimating and be like, all right, I'm about a 1/2 inch in there. But if it's on there, that's cool. So let's go ahead and put this on. So all you got to do, pinch that down, line up the holes, and then drop it in. Super easy. And again, guys, very lightweight. I can't stress this enough. I work with tools all day, every day. And if the tool is heavy, after a while, it just wears on you. Lighter, the better. We have a piece of wood here. Now, this is not 100% charged, but hey, we're going to test it out anyway. So all you got to do, take the battery and slide it in. And wait till you hear it click. So let's see what we got. That's another thing that's really cool about this right now. It is super quiet. That That's not loud at all. My plug-in one is so much louder. All right, true test. Piece of wood. See how fast we could cut through it. All right, there you have it. I cut out the piece of wood. Not really an issue. I'm going to say that the stock blades that come with it aren't the sharpest, so therefore it didn't eat it up really quickly. But you can't go off of that. You know, you put a different blade on it, it'll go right through, probably even easier. But let's go ahead and see what it does on PVC pipe. We have just your standard 1-inch PVC pipe. Let's try it out. There you have it. That cut through that extremely easy, no issues. If you could see, the teeth have no problem cutting through this. All right, there you have it. The Craftsman 20-volt oscillating tool. Right out of the box, it had 1 bar of charge in the battery. I was able to cut through PVC pipe. I was able to cut a notch out of wood. It is not the sharpest bit that comes with it, but it still does the job for what you need it to do. I would recommend, of course, getting an aftermarket bit that you would need to put on it so it would be able to tear through some more material a lot quicker. But overall, I'm satisfied with this. And again, when I do small projects, this is the better option to go ahead and get rather than get a corded Dremel or oscillating tool. So I could just carry this from the truck so much easier than trying to find a plug to plug in. And again, the quick disconnect between your attachments, that's super easy, really easy. And this sanding attachment, so that way you could get into corners. Like, come on now. It doesn't get better than that. So, all right, thanks for watching. I definitely appreciate you following along with me unboxing this new tool. Let's see how it works in the field. I'll let you know back in the comments in a couple weeks to tell you how it worked out for me. And I hope that it's going to be a positive review because so far, like I said, extremely light, small, easy enough to carry along, easy enough to store, which is great. And it just overall looks like a great product. So till next time, stay handy, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.